Panday, Jericho Banyares. Good hit on the 2 ball.
Kumalat lahat. And Tristan Jocaresa just went for a safety and utilized that 5 ng ating King of the Hill Monday.
Oh, he would have wanted that cue ball behind the 8, pero it's a good thing that the 3 ball is in between. He wants to end up behind the 9 and 6, pero yun, right side pala yung kinuha. Oo.
Sabi mo yan, ha? Oo. Pero nabigay sa atin dito, isang mahaba-habang safety battle.
Mind games, chess match, di ba? Ganun.
Kasi you have a plethora of options dito and you are under duress because there's a shot lock.
It's almost a second nature na rin yung ganung decision making nila.
Ayun, Jericho Banyares used that orange 5. So dito sa mga pro players na to, kasi siyempre sa mga tulad natin na casual na player, di ba? Night ball on the roll! Night ball! Made its way towards the corner pocket! Jericho Banyares showed us another highlight. Di natin inaasahan na tira.
Biglang sorry, no?